Hi, I'm Vincent Jubes and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I bring you another fascinating and highly applicable example of the world of digital marketing, a topic we are being diving into in this segment. Get ready to uncover strategies, innovative ideas, and lessons you can apply to your project. Let's get started. Pizza War. How the top chain become leader in their own way. Today, we are diving into the delicious world of pizza to uncover the truth behind the pizza wars. Let me ask you something. Who was the first man on the moon? Easy, right? Neil Armstrong. But who was the second? Most of us don't know. By the way, it was Buzz Aldrin. Same thing with aviation. Charles Lindbergh was the first pilot to cross the Atlantic solo. But the second, no clue. The reality is in life and marketing, the first always get remembered. But here's the twist. What if you are not the first? Are you doomed to be forgotten? Not at all. Today, I'm going to show you the biggest pizza chains in the world, turning this problem into an opportunity by carving their own niche. So grab a slice and get into it. The power of being first. Here's the scene about marketing. The first place get all the glory. It's the easiest to remember. The leader set the rules. But being memorable doesn't always mean being the best overall. Sometimes it's about being the best at something specific. Let's look at how the top pizza chain have each claimed their crown in different categories. The leader of the pizza war, Domino's Pizza, 30 minutes or less. Domino said, "You're hungry? We get your pizza to you fast." They didn't try to make the best gourmet pizza. Instead, they become the king of the delivery. Speed was their secret weapon, and that's how they won. Papa John's, better ingredients, better pizza. Papa John's didn't want to compete on speed. They focused on quality. Their message was clear. We are the best gourmet style pizza that's still fast. It's premium, but convenience. Brilliant, right? Pizza Hut. Hot, fresh, and irresistible, delicious. Pizza Hut want to eat inside the restaurant. They build a dining pizza culture. So, while Domino's and Papa John were delivering pizza to your doors, Pizza Hut was creating an experience for families and friends together. Little Caesar, pizza. How Little Caesar have a different angle. They say, what if we make pizza super affordable and perfect for takeout? By skipping delivery, they save costs and could sell two pizzas for the price of one. It's genius. Become to be creator the young category, the best quick service pizza for takeout. The secret of winning any market. So, what's the lesson here? If you can be the first overall, be the first in a specific category. Each of these brands found a way to dominate being the best at something. Domino's, speed. Papillon, quality ingredients. Pizza Hut, dining experience. Little Caesar, affordable takeout. This is called category creation and it's a game changer. If you crave out a niche that no one else is owning, you don't just compete, you win. How to find your niche? If you're starting a business or growing a brand, here's how you can apply this strategy. Identify what makes you unique. What do you do better than anyone else? Find a gap in the market. Is there something customer want that no one is providing? Claim your space. Double down on your niche and own it. Remember, in marketing, it's not about being everything to everyone. It's about being the best at something. That's how you won. Wrapping up, the Pizza War teaches you an important lesson. There is a room for everyone, as long as you play to your strength. So, next time you enjoy a pizza, think about the genius marketing that's going into your plate. And if you're building your own brand, remember, be first in your category and you'll always be remembered. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comment what's your favorite pizza chain. See you next time.